Hello everyone, I would like to share my MS journey. With all of you today. So, to start with my initial symptoms, back in 2014, while I was studying in college, I got this symptom in my right eye that I could not look properly to any of the objects. It was very blurry. Um, so, but then my left eye was perfect. There was nothing wrong with the left eye. I got to remember that 4 years before 2014, that is in 2010, something similar has happened to me on the left eye also. So it is a recurring thing which has happened after 4 years. So I went to the same eye doctor whom I consulted in 2010, and this time the doctor said that since this was a recurring relapse, so I would like you to get some MRI done this time. I was very scared that what has happened suddenly, like why MRI, why spinal MRI, and why brain MRI, what has happened to me. So he suggested me to go to a neurologist and get some MRI done. So I got that MRI done. I went to the neurologist. I showed him all the reports. um, so the neurologist said that there is nothing wrong right now. You can take some of these medicines. They were not they were some steroids which I have to take for a month completely, starting from 60 mg dose, and it got reduced every week, like from 60 to 40, 40 to 20, and to 10. And I had to take it for 4 weeks, and then I had to stop it. And while I took that medicine for a month, the my eye was completely okay with that. It was like not 100%, but somewhere 90% I recovered properly. After that, the neurologist told me that if you feel any of the symptom in any of your body part, be it your hands, be it your neck, be it your legs, just come back to me. At that point of time, I was little worried that what has happened to me, why the neuro said these things to me, because I was not, I was not aware about this disease at all. It was 2014 February. Then I was completely well for another 6 months, but in 2014, same year October, I got another relapse in my legs. So I could not twist my leg. If I'm standing, I could not sit properly. If I'm sitting, it was hard for me to again stand. So I felt there is something wrong. I can walk, but the problem was while sitting and while standing, I felt some pain behind my knee. But then I was able to walk, I was able to play, I was able to do everything. So I went back to the same neuro, and he again asked me to get the MRI done. And this time I was diagnosed with MS. He told me that you are diagnosed with MS, which was not earlier the case. Like in 2014 February, there were MS symptoms, but it was inactive. Now these are active symptoms. So he suggested me to take the steroids again for a month, so that I can get back from my relapse again. And then after a month, he actually asked me to start my medicines, which was a Evanex shot. So it was an injection which I had to take every week. And I was very scared because I did not know anything about this disease. So I started that on behalf of what the doctor told me. I started those injections, and every week on Saturday, I used to take those injections. I used to go to the hospital. I used to take that injection, and the symptoms which I get after that injection was horrible. Like I used to get 100, 101 fever. I used to get a lot of pain in my whole body. I used to take a lot of painkillers. Um, for 2.5 years, I actually took all of that. And then one day when I visited my doctor, he told me that you can get rid of these injections because there is a new oral medicine that has come up in the market. So I started that medicine. It was called Tecfidera, but I had to take it twice a day, like in the morning with breakfast and the night with dinner. um, but I had to be with full stomach I have to take it. I cannot take it empty stomach. But then that medicine also was very very harsh for the body. Like I used to get a lot of flush symptoms. I used to get a lot of pain in my stomach because of that medicine. So for another 1.5 year, I took that medicine. And one day, while I was studying the side effect of those things, like those injections and medicines, I came to know that it is affecting my liver, it is affecting my kidney a lot. And I was numb. I started researching about how can I get back to normal without all these allopathic things, because they are actually not good for my body at all. So I came in contact with a person who was in touch with Dr. Raghavan, and that very time I decided that I am going to quit all these allopathic medicines, although there was no relapse. But then while taking these medicines like Tecfidera and all these things, sometimes I used to get blurry symptom in my eyes if I walk for more than 20 minutes. I used to get blurriness. I used to sit for 15 minutes and then the things were okay. But then if I walk, if I play, I get blurry symptoms in my eyes with those medicines. So one day I visited Dr. Raghavan. That was a blessing for me, seriously a blessing for me. He told me that I am okay. He said you are okay, and there is nothing harsh right now in the body, although you have a lot of medicines in your body right now. The body is completely occupied with all these allopathic things. We have to flush these things out because it is not good for body, it is not good for liver, it is not good for your kidneys. It is going to show some side effects later in the life, which is not good. So he told me that I have to actually leave these allopathic medicines slowly and gradually. Like I will be taking these medicines regularly for 15 days, then I'll reduce the dose, and I'll I will be taking these medicines for once in a day, like from twice in a day to once in a day. Then after 10 days I have to do it alternate. Then after 10 days 3 times in a week, then once in a week, and then I have to stop it. Like this, he actually helped me to stop all those steroids and all those allopathic medicines, and I was completely onto Dr. Raghavan's medicines. And trust me, I have been doing very good on his medicines right now. Like I do not get any blurry symptoms anymore, which I used to get. And apart from just the blurry things, like I did not have any other symptom at that point of time. Doctor asked me, okay, are you okay? I was like, yes, I'm okay. He told me, okay, go to the terrace and come back. I went to the terrace, I came back within a minute, and he was shocked. Are you a seriously MS patient? Like you are going up and coming back within a minute. I was like, yes, I can play, I can run, I can do everything. The only problem I had is it's there in my mind that I am MS patient. I have to get this out of my mind right now. And trust me, last 2 years I've been taking his medicines. I know it's little tough to take all the medicines, but trust me, this has not just improved any symptoms, but this has actually built a very strong immunity in my body altogether. Like I was a person who can eat little bit of tomato ketchup and I get so many tonsils in my in my mouth. I used to have a very bad throat, and all these things have also improved apart from MS. So I would definitely recommend Dr. Raghavan to everyone. Trust me, trust him, you'll be okay. Take his medicines as prescribed. Like I take his medicines starting morning 6 o'clock. So I take one powder with the Mossambi juice or orange juice or amla juice. Then at 10 o'clock again I have to take it. Then I have to apply oil on my vertex, like my head, at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then at evening 6 o'clock. At 2 o'clock in the noon, I have to take another powder medicine with 1 spoon of cow ghee. And again in the evening 6 o'clock I have to take 1 spoon of cow ghee with that same medicine. And apart from this, I actually have to put some drops in my nose at 6 o'clock in the morning and at evening 6 o'clock. So that is all. But then I'm very happy. I got such a blessing in my life named as Dr. Raghavan. Thank you so much.